Hey folks, how's it all going in? Oh man, 2 air fryers. What are we doing today? Pretzels. I'll tell you what, we did pretzels yesterday, but we did them on the air fryer and on the oven, and they were just so much better in the air fryer. We're trying it again today, and everything's going to be in the air fryer. So if you're interested in how we made and put these all together, go back and look at the one from yesterday. If I remember, I'll leave the link to the original video we did making pretzels, and now we'll go through some of the steps. You know, right now my wife has got the dough already. It's resting. So we did the whole process, and you can go back and look at yesterday's, and you'll see how we got to this point. And from this point, then we're gonna make our pretzel bites and such. We're gonna poach them in some hot water. That's gonna have some baking soda in it. I think I said baking powder yesterday, but baking soda. And then we're gonna let them dry, and then we're gonna put them in the air fryer. Pretzels in the air fryer. Imagine that. All right, so our pretzel nuggets are in boiling water with 3 tablespoons of baking soda, and they go 30 seconds to a minute. You can see we're cutting off some more nuggets. Nuggets are the best in these things. So then when we take them out, we're gonna take them out, put them on this towel and dry, and that's when we're gonna salt them, because oh man, salt on pretzels, nothing better else. All right, so there's our first dozen. Got them salted into the air fryer. This is the Kasori that's got the Wi-Fi in it. I never used the Wi-Fi though, but it works just like any other, like the other Kasoris though, except it has Wi-Fi if you wanted to use it. So we're gonna take the temp up to 400, and then we're gonna go to time, and we're gonna bump that down 10 minutes. Give you a look-see, and then during that 10 minutes, we'll get the other one going too. So we got 2 air fryers going. All right, got 2 air fryers going, folks. You're thinking to yourself, Tom, why not 3? All right, let's get a 3rd one going. All right, we got the first one done. Oh man, tell you what, look at that. So we'll keep on going here. We got about another 12 to make, and we'll come and give you a look-sees as we proceed. There's another 12, folks. Absolutely perfect in an air fryer. Air fryer on the floor. Let's take a look and see how I did on the Killy beam. Oh, look at that. Perfect. And then there was one. My everyday air fryer cooker. 4.5 dozen, folks. Just like that. Let's take a look at the final product. Oh man, there's a plate full of goodness right there. 4.5 dozen pretzel rolls. Just like that. Take a look at the inside. Isn't that perfect? Look at that. Absolutely perfect. And they taste like a warm, soft pretzel. Oh man. So good. Folks, hope you enjoyed this. Talking with my mouth full again. Thumbs up. Tom Horseman at YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe. Wash your hands. Be safe. Take care.